how do you search for Apple Watch apps on an iPhone, right? So let me show you some things that you might be interested in. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this, right? So of course, if it comes to the apps which are already downloaded on the watch, you can find them inside of the watch app when you scroll down a bit more, and all of the apps are listed in here. And at the bottom, you have like the installed apps, so you can just like remove it or perhaps install the additional apps which are available but you haven't installed them yet. However, if you would like to just look up some new apps on the Apple Watch for installing like through the App Store, this is where it gets a little bit tricky because the official App Store filtering doesn't allow us to go to the Watch app only, right? So it kind of works a bit different in that sense, but you can at least open up the App Store like that, click on apps at the bottom, and you can see that there is like a scrollable menu at the top of the list, right? So I can search for a sport, Safari extensions, and a developer tools, social networking, and all of the different categories. But I can keep on scrolling like that, and I will eventually get to the Apple Watch applications, right? So you can see Apple Watch apps. I can get there specifically, and these apps are literally those for the Apple Watch, right? So you can see even the different categories and that kind of stuff, right? So yeah, I mean, you can go to the search, but then it will search through the entire App Store. So I guess it's best idea to just go through it like manually, go through the categories, perhaps get inspired from the lists and whatnot. As I said, at the bottom, you can tap on like, I don't know, productivity, and it's going to be the Apple Watch productivity apps, right? So yeah, that's something that you might be interested in. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and explanation videos like this one, and I'm going to talk to you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.